Traders, here's my trading plan for gold. Currently, we're trading at the high of this range, okay? And you can see that the algos have been moving price between these levels, currently at the high. Wherever you look, there's going to be some kind of range, and you'll notice that price will move, between the high and the low of that range. Now, you don't want to be buying at the high of the range, and you don't want to be selling at the low of the range, right? So, you don't want to be buying into that. There's two ways that I would get involved with this. Given that this has tried this level, well, it's tested it now third time. If this breaks above here and we get a retest, that will be a buy opportunity for me. If this pulls back, in other words, we pick the Fibonacci low to high, let's say we get a move back, that could offer a buy opportunity, but how do you know when to get involved? So I'd be looking to buy gold, definitely. Break and retest, but on the pullback. So let's just have a look at this pullback on the lower time frame. Just clear everything here. And we'll go down to a 15-minute chart. So this is my plan of attack with this. So I know that if I scrunch it up, I know that we've got this range through here. We'll just pull it through there for now. And if you have a look at this, and I know that like this here is my price range low to high, right? That's what I'm interested in now. For me to get involved, I want a pullback into, see the Fibonacci, this 50 to 61.8, possibly down in here, but 50% will give me equilibrium. That's anything below that is a discount, and anything above that, right, is a premium. So I want the discount. I've got a subtle dotted line on this parallel channel, so I know where my discount level is. Now the thing with this is price will break structure. So in this case, we see here, this is trending up. See the break below this line, for example. That's one way to look at it, and the other way to look at it is to go diagonal, horizontal, I should say. See this break here. So we've got this shift in the trend, this shift. And so what's happening now is we've moved from higher highs, higher lows to lower high, lower low. And you want to watch the channel. See the channel, low to high of the channel here. Watch this channel because there's going to be this value area, 1, value area number 2, value area number 3. Don't know how far this is going to pull back, but we need to mark up these where it's been ranging, right? These areas here. And you'll see price will possibly, it might continue down, and at some stage it's going to find support and it'll range. It might fake out, shake out, and then we're off. Either this area, okay, it could be where it breaks structure bullish. Remember, we're talking about, see the trend, all right? Well, when it breaks structure, that's when we get involved. So a break here, we can get involved on that, possibly get involved with that breakout, right? Bullish breakout. But the thing is, we don't know where this is going to find support. So it could be through here, this value area, could be through this value area. It could look for liquidity under. So, there's stop losses sitting under here. Just do that. There's stop losses sitting under here, and there's stop losses sitting under here. So even these areas could be a target. Okay, if we look under these where these prices have been ranging, that's sell side liquidity. That could be a target, number 1. 2, it could hit that, and well, it taps under. It taps into this sell side liquidity, number 2, or number 3. All right, so this, we just need to watch it, guys. Just watch it. It'll trend, and then at some stage, wherever it lands, it's going to look to break structure, bullish, as it did here. What I'm doing is giving you my trading plan. See the break of structure here. That is where we get long if you want to, trade on this time frame, right? There's your buy. So if this trades down, well, I'm looking to get long. Same thing when it breaks structure, wherever this lands. So just be open to the fact that, it could land anywhere, and just keep an eye on these levels, and wherever it finds support and starts to move bullish, breaking structure, then that is the opportunity then to possibly get long. Now, I've got this range, okay? Just keep an eye on that, the high to the low. That's my trading plan, guys. That's gold. I would really love to hear your thoughts. So definitely leave a comment and share your ideas below. That would be awesome. And with that, look, you've got to have a system, and you have to have a system in place that tells you when this is happening, especially this right here. You want something that screams out, this is breaking structure, get ready. Okay, so that's the secret. Set up something that will tell you when this finds support and breaks structure. What else can I say? You can watch the chart, but yeah, set alerts, do whatever you need to do. But keep an eye on this, guys. With that, look, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.